Okay, I'm going to be opening up my new Elgato Stream Deck product. Just came in. I was a little bit surprised. The box seemed a little bit smaller than I was anticipating. When you look at it on the screen when you purchase it, it just seemed bigger. But I bought the 15 key version of Stream Deck, and I'll explain a little bit more about what this is. But I thought we'd open it up together and let's see what's inside of this thing. Wow, that's it right there. Pull it open, get it out, move it out of the way. It comes with this little display holder, actually. I'm not sure you can see it on the back. You can either take it off and just use it somewhere or mount it up on the wall or something like that. But this little case comes with it. This little stand, excuse me, comes with it. And that's, I'm sure, how I'll be using it. And there's a little arm in the back here. But basically, you'll set it for whatever position it is that you want to use. And pretty straightforward, nothing really unusual here. Looks really easy to set up. Just to kind of as an example of what this is, you add the ability to customize anything you're doing on your computer, specifically designed with, this one's designed a lot for live streaming and for video production, audio, and that kind of thing. But you literally just drag and drop specific actions that you want to have onto the app, and it makes each of those keys light up with a different application. You just tap it, you tap a key to stream, to record, to switch scenes, to add your lower thirds on, etc. Works really well. A lot of integrations built in with Twitter, OBS, Twitch, YouTube, XSplit, StreamYard, a bunch of others. Pretty cool thing to have. The buttons feel pretty solid. They'll be tactile. What's neat about it is, from a sales standpoint anyway, if you can see on the back of the box, those keys light up, and they're color LCDs, each one of them. So it will reflect. So if you have one of those keys tied to your Twitter account to switch into a Twitter screen, that Twitter logo will show up. And you can do that for all of them. You can either add custom logos on there or just use what comes standard out of the box. Works on both the Mac and Windows. Should be an interesting time. I'll start using it in our broadcast here very soon.